Hello learners, today in this video we are going to learn 8th standard science chapter number 12 introduction to acid and base. In the previous video we have already learned about some properties of acid and alkali. We have also learned how to detect whether the given substance or chemical is acidic or basic using litmus paper or by testing it by observing some small interesting activities. So, in this session we will continuing with indicators. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. The module of this session is indicator, where we will get acquaint ourselves with meaning of indicator and types of indicator, followed by next module making of natural indicators by using several domestic substances. In this session we will get familiar with vocabulary words like methyl orange, methyl red and phenolphthalein. Let's begin with our first module, that is indicator. We can recognize various foodstuffs as acids or bases just by their taste. This is because acid generally have a sour taste while base have bitter taste. But it is not always recommended to identify a substance by taste. This leads to the introduction of substances called as indicators. Substances that are used to differentiate between an acid and a base are called indicators. Indicators change their color when added to an acidic solution or a basic solution, and this color change is different for acids and bases. Thus, they help us in deciding whether a given solution is acidic or basic in nature. The indicators that are obtained from plants are known as natural indicators. Some of the naturally occurring indicators are turmeric, China rose, red cabbage and grape juice, litmus, etc. Universal indicators are a mixture of organic dyes that give different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ion in solution. Example, pH paper or solution. They do so either by changing their color or odor. There are two types of indicators. First one is laboratory indicator and second one is natural indicator or domestic indicator. Phenolphthalein, methyl orange and methyl red are used in laboratory in solution form. Methyl orange shows pink color in acidic medium and yellow color in basic medium. Phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic solution and pink color in basic solution, while methyl red shows red color in acidic medium and yellow color in basic medium. To observe the change in color in methyl orange indicator, we will perform one small activity. For that, we will require methyl orange, lemon juice solution and solution of baking soda. What do you observe? we observe that methyl orange shows pink color in acidic medium, here in lemon juice solution as it contains citric acid, and yellow color in basic medium, here in solution of baking soda. To observe how methyl red indicator change its color in acidic and basic solution, we will again perform one small activity. For that, we will require methyl red, tomato juice and soap. What do you observe? We observe that methyl red shows pink red in acidic medium, here in tomato juice solution as it contains oxalic acid, and yellow color in basic medium, here in soap solution. To observe the change in color in phenolphthalein indicator, we will perform one small activity. For that, we will require phenolphthalein, orange juice and solution of shampoo. What do we observe? We observe that phenolphthalein remains colorless in acidic medium, here in orange juice solution as it contains citric acid, and pink color in basic medium, here in shampoo solution. Let's discuss about domestic indicators. Turmeric, China rose and red cabbage, etc. are the examples of domestic indicators. In chemistry, knowing which substances are acids and which are bases is key. So, in this activity, we will make use of turmeric as an indicator. Turmeric is a common Indian spices, is an example of acid-base indicator. Turmeric is yellow in acid and neutral substances, but turns bright red with bases. Your own indicator from red cabbage, which contains a chemical that turns from its natural deep purple color to bright red in acids and greenish in bases. China rose indicator is a natural indicator used to determine whether a substance is acidic or basic. China rose, which turns acidic solution to dark pink or magenta color and basic solution to green color. Another common indicator is litmus paper, derived from a plant called lichen. Acid turns blue litmus paper red, while base turns red litmus paper blue. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. Pupils got familiar with types of indicator, making of natural indicator. This is all for today's session. Thank you.